Hindi kasi ako fan ng pixel-based game. So, parang napaiwas talaga ako sa Minecraft or Roblox. Kasi parang growing up, yun nga, Ragnarok.
Oh, yeah.
Yung mga
Yeah.
RPG games na online, Flife, diba? Yun yung...
Hi guys! Welcome sa Kaka-Computer Mo Yan. Kami ulit. And ngayon naman, medyo nasa side na tayo ng titahan.
Okay.
Kanina medyo on the trend.
Yes.
Pero ngayon medyo back to tayo, oldies. Akala mo tatanda na ng mga tao. Pero yes. Ngayon kasi parang napansin ko sa mga discussions din, may very casual, very happy, very siguro let's start with ngayon na talagang di na tayo masyadong nagko-competitive or we don't play that much. Ano ang go-to game nyo na lang recently?
Me, actually, like, one of the questions here also was, how has your gaming changed? and stuff? Honestly, I'm, like, super casual. I used to be a casual gamer. Now, I'm even more casual. So, honestly, I only game paminsan-minsan. Pero when I do game, a lot of it is yung with my friends. So, my go-to game is, like, Minecraft. And also kasi it works on Mac. Wow, don't hate me. Don't hate me. Pero, like, I'm a Mac user. So, especially when it's casual, it's really those ones that I can spend time with my friends, and I like the building. I feel so calm and relaxed, you know. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, anong game ko ngayon? No, casual lang din. It's like just like what we discussed, what was discussed like last time kasi I don't like playing with others anymore.
Oh, okay. Para opposite pala tayo.
Like, like, I want to do my farm in my most efficient way. So, solo games for now, yeah.
For me, like, if we're gonna talk about like how my gaming style has changed over the years, it would be paano ba? I can't commit to a game anymore. So the games that I usually play are things na pwede kong iwanan. And then when I come back to it, it's still the same. Although mahirap kapag farming or simulation game kasi 'di ba meron ka ng efficient style pero you did not write it down, wala na, new game ulit.
Yeah.
Pero yun nga, parang when I was a kid kasi, or like during our high school or college days, we could game like dire-diretso every day. Pero it's very different now kasi it's mostly work and then I have to balance it with socials. Hindi naman lahat ng friends ko naglaro ng same games. So that's different friend groups pa that I have to manage. So parang most of the games that I do now are, well, the games that I have to work with, I just check them out and then hindi ko na siya lalarin ulit. And then parang trying to look for the new like endorphin kick. Maghanap ako ng bagong game. So that's how my gaming style is now.
Dati gusto ko parating may kasama. Pero minsan gusto ko ayoko na. Gusto ko ako lang. Tapos gusto ko na ulit may kasama. Tapos gusto ko na ulit na ako lang. It changes. Siguro depende sa vibe mo for that day.
Yeah.
Diba? May times na I'm just gonna touch my PC and I'm gonna play with other people. Pero kung na-stress ako for the next 2 days, maglalaro na ako ng ako lang. Siguro it really, yung style, nandun pa rin, parang pabago-bago lang. And it just depends on what you actually want. Yun naman tayo, di ba? Parang preference pa rin when it comes to whatever the games you would like to play.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
true.
When I was a kid, I used to play a lot with my cousins actually. So kind of like what you're mentioning kanina na, kunyari, kinakareer namin yung games. I mean, syempre naka PS1 pa ako nun. Kaya pag growing older tong session na to, kasi PS1 ako, grabe
Oh my
naman.
goodness.
But yeah, we would career it, diba? Tapos nun, it was cool kasi it's also our bonding. Pero unlike yung today na most of the games na we play together, naka-Discord ka or something, like we would all be in the same place.
Yes.
And then naka-controller kami, OG, let's go. Mga OG. But now it's like, I think one of the games that I really like to calm down, although hindi na siya nakaka-calm ngayon, is Genshin for a while. Kasi in a way, it's like before, kasi when it first started, like I was one of the early players. Like yung first part ng COVID, legit. It's like open world. I'm like, oh, it's so calming. Like the music is, I feel very calm with this like Asian-themed music, ganon. Tapos I'm just exploring and whatnot. I think it became parang hindi naman stressful but kinakareer na for a while when you have to collect and do the daily quests and all of that stuff. But it was also fun, like, kasi you don't have to always play with people.
Yeah, that's true.
You can kind of be alone if you want to be alone. But if you want to, like, you know, yung time kasi na yun, I was in my condo na, alam mo yun, mag-isa lang ako.
Yeah.
So that's how I would stay in touch with my friends despite COVID happening all around us.
Ano talaga dati din ako kasi personally, hindi ako lumaking may video games. Medyo, di naman kami, let's just say, well-off before. And my parents are very traditional. So, it took a lot of effort to convince my mom to buy me a Nintendo DS. Color light blue yun, if I remember. Tapos, 4K pa yun dati. So, parang it took a lot for my mom, right? Like, 4K? Mas salamat ka birthday mo today. Kasi yun yung mga occasions sa pwede ka magpabili. Birthday mo, or kung may award ka sa school.
Yeah.
So, yun ang nila kinalakahan ko. Kasi dati ang PS1, PS2, expensive na yan for people like us before. So, kailangan yung DS. So, naging Nintendo girl talaga ako. So, nakakatawa, di ba? May mga PS girlies, may mga Nintendo girlies. So, I will definitely say Nintendo girl ako. At lumaki ako, alam mo guys saan? Hindi sa Pokemon, sa Cooking Mama.
Oh my
God!
God!
I love that! I love that! You have to
So good.
show this stuff.
Hihipan mo pa yung
dogs. Yes.
Kausapin mo pa yung dog mo. Gagawin ka pa doon sa mic.
Blow the
diba?
bubbles, diba? Nintendo.
In fairness, what I love about Nintendo games was that they had learning games. Like, merong mga games siya na you can learn Spanish, Chinese, and I forgot the name, Hello Chinese ata yun or something. So, parang wala, nakakatawa lang.
Stuck like R4.
I'm like typer shark sa school. Like that's why I like computer class kasi may typer shark. Pabilisan ng pag-type.
Yes,
OG.
Pati yung Hotel 626.
Oh!
Yun
my
yung
God.
kukunin mo dun sa PC. Yun yung hindi mo ipapakita sa mo kung na pwede ka maglaro ng Hotel 626.
O kaya titingnan nyo kung ano nilalaro ng katabi mo sa y8.com.
Oh my God.
Yes, oo.
Tapos yung parang yung pattern na kailangan hindi ka makalusot dahil may jump scare lang galing sa The Exorcist, di ba? Yan yung mga sikat dati.
Or hindi mo alam kung saan nakuha nung kaibigan mo yung game na linalaro niya sa Newgrounds. Kasi apparently, ito sa developer platform din na parang they can pre-publish or parang try out games din. So, parang ano linalaro nito sa Newgrounds? Ay.
Tapos naglaro ka pa dati ng Dragon Fable.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
yeah.
Swords
Yes.
and Sandals.
Yes.
Di ba yun yung mga dating sikat na sikat? Oh my God.
Or like the games on PopCap na pagka hindi nakatingin yung teacher mo.
Yeah, oo. PopCap games.
The one with the big fish, the
Yeah.
giant fish, na you have to eat all the little fish. What's that? Yeah.
Feeding frenzy.
Oh my God.
Alam mo ba, natapos ko yun recently.
Wow.
Tapos kasi meron siya sa, we sailed the seas, you know.
Yeah, oh my God.
So, ayun. Tapos, lumaki din tayo sa lumaki talaga sa retro. I think sa age group natin, yung peak talaga, diba?
Yeah, retro games.
Ng retro games. And up until now, same yung feeling
Yes, yes.
Pag naglaro ka ng mga old games. Kasi ako, for example, mayroon pa rin akong DS So, minsan kapag ayaw mo maglaro ayoko ng Cooking Mama sa Switch. Gusto ko sa DS kasi iba yung sa DS And ang funny, 'di ba? Lahat tayo, 'di ba? Dati kapag pag may pera ka, bibili ka ng bala. Pero sa mga katulad ko, R4 ang key.
Yes,
Ako
yes.
din.
Nandun lahat na ng games, pati Ace Attorney.
Oo!
Oh my God.
Hindi ko
R4
na
it
ngayon
is.
malaro ang Ace Attorney kasi now it feels like super longer. Pero when I was a kid, grabe.
Just like go through the whole thing, right?
So search mo pa sa Internet Explorer.
Oh my God.
walkthrough.
Tapos pag di gumagana, hihipan mo. Diba? Hihipan mo yung bago may ilagay.
Speaking of old games, you guys know na Neopets is still alive.
I heard that.
It is still alive.
I heard that.
I'm searching.
I'm searching
I
that.
heard that.
And they're
My God.
more, ngayon, like into like merchandise. Like my friend bought me like pins. Ang cute ng mga pins nila. Oh my God. Wala lang, share ko lang.
I'm trying to find like my old login ngayon, diba? Kasi may mga special paintbrush,
Yes,
like the
yes,
magic,
yes.
like rainbow brush and stuff like that.
Pwede mo pa siyang ma-recover.
Really?
If I remember correctly, yeah.
I don't even
created
have
a new
that
account
email
na.
anymore.
Oh,
I'm like, what is
really?
that sketchy email I used to use?
Yes, na talagang puzzle pa yung mga words mo.
Yeah.
Guys, alam niyo yung Club Penguin?
Oh, penguin!
Oh
Oh my God. That's like my childhood.
Pati yung Barbie. Alam niyo yung Barbie na multiplayer game before? Na parang Club Penguin?
Barbie World?
Something like that, yung parang, meron kang avatar, tapos magde-dress up ka, then you meet ka na.
I had Barbie on my
So,
ano ba
baka
yun?
yun nga, baka...
Pero hindi siya multiplayer. It's just yung old na Game Boy. Na parang,
oo nga, meron
I had to wait multiple birth. Kasi before, yung mga console ko, it's really shared with my cousins. Kasi like what you said, it's expensive. But all my cousins are boys. So, in a way, it's nice. Kasi sila yung maglalaban. I'm like, okay, makikishare ako sa inyo, guys. We'll use your console and we'll use your PC. I'll just play with you, diba?
Yung
But,
Barbie
yeah.
kasi meron silang sariling website.
Yes, that's it.
Oh, is that
Okay,
the one?
yeah. I forgot ko yung website niya. Pero yeah, it was shocks. Ito pa yung Barbie na payat na na art style. I mean,
okay.
and then sila Sasha ba yun? Yeah.
I had it in like green screen. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be judged for my age. But I had it in green screen on Game Boy, like the old Game Boy. And it's like a Barbie game. Yeah, that one.
Tapos yun nga, hinihipan-hipan. Kasi sa PS1, PS2, diba? Tapos maghihintay ka kunyari hindi mo mapapansin. Kasi maglo-load yung maglo-load yung PS2 or PS1.
Don't
yung
judge me.
yung myth na wag mong papansinin yung PS1.
Don't judge me. Pero meron din yung yung dinidilaan.
Girl,
Oh my God.
Oo.
Kasi hiipan mo baka sakaling gumana. Or yung biglang nawawala yung save file sa PlayStation.
Ay,
Yeah.
Tapos uulitin mo, baka sakali, meron pa. nandyan
Tapos you
pa.
spend so much time on it. We're like, ulitin ko pa tong whole thing na to, diba? Did you guys ever play Crash Bandicoot?
Yes!
Competitive.
Sa mga pinsan mo, di ba?
Yeah,
Yung mga bata kayo.
Kapag namatay ka, kasunod naman, di ba?
Yung,
So, namatay siya,
same.
balik sa akin.
Introducing Agora's conversational AI engine. Build and integrate your AI agent in minutes. Any model, any voice. Start building your voice AI agent for free today.
That was like our bonding. Tapos, pagka hindi siya nagsasave, kasi diba multiple world siya, I'm like, oh my God, what am I gonna do? Hindi ko ba ito lalaroin bukas? Kasi di siya nagsave, diba? I'm like, I need my cousin to finish a level. I'm like, bumalik ka dito, kuya.
Tapos feel ko din, alam mo diba usually nilalaro mo yung Emerald sa DS mo dati. Alam mo yung nag-peak siya sa mga mobile phones dahil sa mga APK,
Yes, emulators.
Grabe na addict ako doon. Like, kahit sa klase ko nung high school, talaga nagko-competitive bongro kami. Ko-competitive Pokemon Emerald kami dahil sa emulators.
Oo.
Let's go.
Before Nintendo Sash. Shinot down na yung mga yun. Pero that was peak, di ba? Sobrang iba talaga yung feeling ng naglaro ka ng Emerald. At least tayo lahat dito, naglaro tayo ng Pokemon Emerald.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, laro ka, di ba, Pokemon Emerald?
Yes, yes.
Oh,
I
diba?
think nadaanan ko naman lahat ng Pokemon din.
Emerald, Pearl, Diamond. Oh my God.
Black and white.
Complete.
Yung first console ko kasi in terms of the tawag dito, Nintendo, was yung wala pa yung ilaw, wala pa siyang backlight. So,
okay.
bumili yung dad namin ng case na may light.
Yung
So, nakakatawa kasi as a kid, diba, nagtataklob ka, naglaro ka, tapos may ilaw.
That's so cute.
Tapos kasi tahimik yung kwarto. And then suddenly, biglang may gaganon ng mo, ng kumot. Tapos,
Ang ingay pa naman pag nag-start,
hindi
di ba?
siya really hinihinaan mo, diba?
Core
Wala nang
memories.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like our generation. I think that's what's nice about it. Kasi parang we got to see games when they were in person. And now they're like kind of digital but still community-based. So,
Nakapag nandun ka sa peak ng peak din ng Roblox, mga 2010,
Hindi ko
2011. Pero nadaanan ko lang siya, hindi talaga yung sobrang active. Pero yun daw talagang sobrang saya.
Yeah.
Like, when mention lang sa akin yung mga days na dun ka daw mag-start as a dev mismo.
oh wow, really?
Before.
That's interesting.
So, talagang may kilala kami, gumagawa talaga siya ng games up until now, sa Roblox. Ang galing.
Wow, galing
So, nakakatuwa talaga na world siya ng mga tao na up until now, nandun pa rin. Even with Minecraft, I guess. Diba?
Yeah.
Hindi kasi ako fan ng pixel-based game. So, parang napaiwas talaga ako sa Minecraft or Roblox. Kasi parang growing up, yun nga, Ragnarok.
Oh, yeah.
Yung
Yeah.
mga RPG games na online, Flife, diba? Yun yung... dance audition.
Audition.
Oo.
Oh, yeah.
Yun yung mga parang growing up na natuwa akong laruin. Kaya parang from Harvest Moon and like yun nga, yung mga Nintendo games to the RPG and eventually now to more simulation and still RPG. So yun.
Nalaro niyo ba sa PS1 yung FF10, yung mga turn-based?
I haven't played that.
I haven't
think I
played.
haven't.
I don't remember.
Until now, I play turn-based games. I think quite popular yung shucks yung utak ko, hindi ko maalala yung title. But Pao and I were talking about it kanina kasi may i-release sila na bago this year. I forgot the name.
Sayang.
Sayang.
Ano tong turn-based?
Ano to?
Sikat ba talaga
Sa
siya?
Nintendo kasi siya. Sa Switch.
Oh.
Oh, what is
Game.
this?
Sige.
Fire Emblem. Yeah.
Oh, Fire Emblem. Okay, that one. I
Fire
played that
Emblem.
one.
Yes, yes.
Yan din yung
That
ina-
one, I played that one.
pala.
Yeah,
Everyone.
that was-
Yes,
yes,
yes.
Alam niyo ba, I'm so tempted to buy Switch 2 kahit sobrang mahal ng game.
It's
Dahil
exclusive.
dahil sa Pokopia.
Pokopia,
Oh,
yeah,
Pokopia.
exclusive.
There's so many Switch 2 exclusive this year,
Nakakainis.
That's why I'm selling my OLED, guys. I'm selling my OLED.
Ako din, nasasell ko na yung OLED ko para sa Switch 2.
Hindi ko masell yung OLED ko. It's limited edition.
Oh, okay.
Bakit?
Scarlet and Violet edition.
Wow!
That's why I'm waiting for the Pokemon Winds and Waves release. Kasi baka magkaroon din
Di ba?
sila ng
Di ba, right?
That's so nice.
Kasi
Gotta wait for that.
I saw a mock-up and I was like, oh, I'm gonna buy this. This is in teal. So cute. Baka, yun nga, baka magkaroon kasi sila ng limited edition like Pokemon release na Switch
I
2.
know, right?
So I was like, okay, papalagpasin ko Pokopia, papalagpasin ko lahat ng everything else, hintayin ko yung Pokemon Winds and Waves.
Tinitiis ko lang ang mga days kasi malapit na din yung Fire Emblem.
Yes,
Yes.
Ang dami talaga. Like, and yun din nakakatuwa, no? From before na pixelated lang, na nagahanghang pa. Ngayon, the quality of games, even though
So
expensive,
Yeah.
deserve naman nila
Oo.
yung ganong itsura.
And I love how
nakakatawa.
the devs and like the game publishers can connect with us more.
Yes.
Yes.
I think dati market lang.
Oo.
Minamarket lang.
Oo,
minamarket.
market
Ngayon,
lang.
it's different. They listen, usually.
You get
know,
AMAs.
And they try to build the stuff that we want
Yes.
in, which is cool. Because some of them even have Discord communities where
Yes,
you could talk
exactly.
about like
Oo.
what you want, what you don't
Suggestions, they
like.
actually put it in.
Yeah, and then in the next parang release, I think that's what's cool. Kasi before, wow, nung CD pa yung game. Charot. Nung CD pa yung, oo. Tapos nung pinapasok mo yung, whatever, yung
Memory card.
yung memory card, you can't really update the game the way that we can do now. So now it's like you just download the update, and it's cool because I feel like we also kind of help shape how the game looks.
Dati
Yeah,
hinahanap mo pa
exactly.
kung ito ba yung updated version ng game.
Yeah.
Kasi diba parang sometimes, per batch kasi sila ginagawa yung mga bala ng games.
Or like
So,
Sims. Joke.
Yeah.
Expansion
And then,
pack.
Tawag dito, like the older version, ako preferably yun yung bibilin ko.
Yeah.
Kasi yun yung may mga cheat codes.
Ay, totoo.
God.
And then the newer ones kasi tinatanggal na nila yun.
Yeah.
And so I was like, shucks, I have to find like the oldest version that I can find.
True.
Para dun ka magiging.
Yes.
Hashtag Rosebud. Joke.
Rosebud.
And it's not because for the cheat themselves lang din naman. It's more of like, I want to see kung ano ba yung, what I'm missing out. Kasi sometimes they like, dun sa first version, they have other things na they change it along the way or they cut it out completely.
It's like the secret part of the game.
Yeah,
Which is kind of cool kasi
exactly.
parang you're unlocking something na, alam mo yun, it's not everybody knows about it.
Yeah.
Diba?
So talagang ibang-iba na talaga yung evolution ngayon ng games.
Oo.
And I'm really happy to see na lahat. Dati kasi usually, marami ka pang gustong sabihin about the game. Ganun. And ngayon talagang up-to-date sila. And ang galing, di ba? Hindi siya pa backward.
Yeah.
It's always moving forward.
Yeah, speaking of dati ang dami nating time sa games.
Yeah, good times.
How do we make time for games? Like, ako kasi may excuse ako. May board game cafe ako. May board game cafe ako. May excuse ako maglaro. But like, how do we as adults right now? How are we able to make time for the games that we like to play?
Ako, I accepted it na parang my priority right now kasi talaga is like with work or with myself. So, and I want to be updated with my friends. So I've already accepted that I can only game when I have like a certain, time for it. So, okay.
Iba na kasi kapag may partner ka na, iba na din pag may anak ka na,
Totoo.
iba din pag maybe you have bills to pay, you cannot afford, wala ka ng, mayroon kang pang-afford nung game, wala ka ng time.
Oo,
And I
true.
feel like, at some point talaga, yun lang, kailangan mo lang tanggapin na iba na talaga yung priorities mo. But there's always going to be a day, I think in a year of course,
Yeah.
where you're just gonna be gaming. So,
yeah, totoo.
Yeah.
In my friend said nga this before. Ano ba yung paglalaro? 'Di ba kinukolekta mo na lang 'yan?
True. So
Yeah.
siguro to wrap up, like, what would you say, or parang, can you share your first game na lang that you remember, like top of your head?
My very first game, I feel like my very first game honestly was like with my cousins. Kasi parang yun yung childhood ko talaga, like playing games. So I think I've played a lot of other ones on Game Boy, but the one I really enjoyed was really Crash Bandicoot. Kasi parang, and even now, as an adult, I feel like I kinda like yung mga adventure games na meron kang tinatapos. Because like, to your point, ang hirap din na gumawa ng time to
Yes,
play. So I feel
totoo.
like it's like any kind of hobby in a sense na parang, if you want to do the hobby, you kind of have to fit it in your schedule, all of these things. So for me, I think about games as like a way to connect with people, a way to connect with my friends, a way to parang de-stress, diba? Kung tinatamad akong lumabas or whatever. So parang, I try to think about it as, in a way, self-care, basta hindi toxic yung game. As long as it's non-toxic, diba?
Yeah.
Kaya very casual. So kapag gusto ko mag-bond with my friends, sasabihin namin, okay guys, laro tayo ng game. And sometimes it could be like, it's not even yung mga intense games. Like meron, hindi siya Wordle, but it's like the updated version of Wordle. Parang siyang yung mga, it's almost like, I can't even describe it. Parang siyang Scrabble na hindi. The online siya, diba? I
okay.
forget the name of the game, but
Oo.
whenever we have like a party together, we like try and go through it together as well.
Oh,
So,
okay.
yeah, so it's really evolved from like adventure games na I kind of play in a career way, diba? To more of community, how I bond with my friends. I feel like that's what really struck me.
Ako naman, ang kinalakihan ko, I don't know if you guys are familiar with Age of Mythology.
Yes.
Oh,
I
that
heard
RTS
about that.
game.
Yes.
And guys, binili ko yung hanggang Japanese edition. So yun yung kinalakihan ko. At up until now, I'm playing it.
Oh, my first ever, my God, yung age ko. Mortal Kombat in Sega.
Okay
Oh,
lang.
yeah,
Okay
okay.
lang.
I know that
Okay,
one.
okay.
Yeah.
More or less similar to your answers. Like kasi my dad bought our gaming consoles for my brother talaga. So mostly sim racing. Ano pa ba sa nagsimula? F1 ba yung
F1,
Yung may,
yes.
ano ka
Oh,
ba?
yung may,
hindi yung controller
Yung,
din.
okay, kala ko may steering wheel ka.
Hindi, PS1. So, back then kasi, parang yun lang din naman. Either it was Harvest Moon, it was a fighting game, or it was a racing game. Parang dun lang limited yung gaming
Oo,
natin
totoo.
before. So, yun yung mga first few
The one where you
games.
pick the card,
Yes.
diba? Yeah, okay, I
Yes.
played that also.
Oh my
So,
goodness.
yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
And that's
thank
how
you,
I
thank
wrap
you.
up.
Thanks to our sponsors, Agora, Tutorials Dojo, Young CTO, Amazon Web Services User Group Philippines, and Facebook subscribers. On to our next episode.